Hi everyone and welcome in this new video. Today we are going to learn how to create these name tags or labels in MS Word. So let's get started. First we will take a blank document, select Mailings tab and go to Labels option. You will see a dialog box named as Envelopes and Labels. Go to Options and you have to make certain settings for your label. First, choose the label vendor as A1 and the product number as A1 28171. Hit the OK button. This will give you 12 labels in an A4 size sheet. Create a new document and you will see equal size labeled in your document. At some point of time, if you see that all the labels are not visible, select the entire table, go to the Home tab, choose All Borders option here so that you can see all the tags clearly. Now, we are going to go to Insert tab. In Shapes option, I am going to choose Rounded Rectangle. This will help me out to create a name tag of my required shape. It will give you a nice look as well. Now I am going to go to the Format option and I'll choose a color of my choice. You can choose light or dark, any color of your wish. And then right click on the mouse and choose Add Text option. This option will allow you to add text inside your shape. Now I would like my all the text to be left aligned. Therefore, I'll hit the Home tab and I'll choose Left Alignment option here. Now first I would like to have name. By using Shift and Dash, I am making this blank to enter the name. Then because I am making a school tag, therefore I want grade followed up with section. So half of the line I am keeping for grade and then I am keeping it for section. Next, I would like to write the text as subject and the last one I would like to keep as school. So school name is going to be a little longer. It's better to keep it as school. We can keep anywhere. And the text is ready. But since we would like to make this customized, I would like to insert a picture. So keep your mouse pointer on the right side column and then go to Insert option, go to Pictures. I have already downloaded a picture of my choice. So I have to go in Downloads and here I have my Mario picture that I'm going to insert. With the help of this bar, you can always resize your picture to whatever shape or size you want. Now in the picture tool format option, you will get the option for wrap text. I want my Mario picture to be in front of the text. Therefore, I am going to choose in front of text. Once this setting is done, I will shift it on the top of my tag and place it nicely. This is how my tag will look like. Now, if I want this tag to be present in all the 12 labels, I need to do certain settings. What is that? First, we will hit the Mailing tab and I'm going to select the option Start Mail Merge. Choose the option Labels here. See that you have your label vendor as A1 as by default selected and your product number as A1 28171. Press the OK button. By doing that, if we would like to apply it to all the 12 labels, I have to press the OK button. This will take my label back. Now, if I would like to make it appear on the screen again, press Ctrl Z and the label will come back. But if I would like it to be pasted in all the 12 labels automatically after doing these steps, click on Update Labels and you will see that the labels are ready to be printed. By using any sort of printer, you can just print it and use it in your notebooks and books. I hope you must have liked this video to understand how to make the name tags of your own. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.